In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Purge Varnish cache in Cloudways. If your site runs on Cloudways, it likely uses Varnish, a powerful server-level cache that speeds up page delivery. Caching is great for performance, but it can sometimes hold on to older versions of your pages. That's when a quick purge is useful, especially after design changes, content updates, or when something on the front end doesn't look right. Start in your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area where you manage your site. On the left-hand menu, go to Settings, then click Breeze. Breeze is the caching and optimization plugin that Cloudways pairs with your WordPress application. It gives you a simple interface for working with both on-site cache and Varnish cache at the server level. Inside Breeze, look for the Varnish tab at the top. You might also see other tabs for things like basic options or file optimization, but today we're focusing on Varnish. The Varnish tab is specifically for managing the server-side cache, which is different from your browser cache or the page cache generated by the plugin itself. Once you're in the Varnish tab, click Purge Varnish Cache. This command clears the stored copies of your site's pages on the server so the next visitor gets a fresh version directly from WordPress. It's safe to do and often resolves issues where changes aren't appearing publicly. After you click the Purge button, you may see a confirmation message indicating that the cache was successfully cleared. If you're prompted to save changes, go ahead and save. Sometimes, depending on your setup, or if you adjusted any Varnish-related settings while you were here, the interface will ask you to confirm. If you didn't modify any settings and only purge the cache, you may not see a save prompt, and that's fine. A quick note on what to expect. The first page load after a purge can be a little slower as the cache rebuilds. That's normal. If your updates still seem missing, it could be your browser or a CDN showing an older copy, not Varnish. In most cases, though, purging Varnish via Breeze is all you need for changes to show up. As a best practice, purge Varnish after significant edits, theme changes, or plugin updates. You don't need to purge constantly. Varnish will refresh itself as content changes over time. And that's it. You've cleared Varnish cache on Cloudways using the Breeze plugin, ensuring visitors see the most up-to-date version of your site while keeping performance strong.